Hello, this is Amy Nowell, and I will be teaching you how to make a survey on Google Forms. The first step is to go on to forms.google.com and make sure you're signed into your account. Now you can pick on the blank forms at Start a New Form at the very top. You can come in and title your form. I'm just going to title this survey because I've already made my survey, and this is just to teach you how to do it. So you can describe it. This is a test. Now you're going to add the questions into your survey. How awesome are you? Very, kinda. Okay, and you can add pictures into these options and make them all sorts of different questions. To choose a checkboxes question, you just go over to that section in the right and select checkboxes, and then it's one of those questions where you can select as many as you want in that question. You can add pictures into each question just by selecting add photo, and then it has all these different places where you can select photos from. My logo designs survey came out pretty good because I had pictures and words, and I made sure to include a spot where you can add your extra comments or thoughts, and it came out pretty cool. After a few days, I got 18 responses, and this is the responses. So for my brand name, Healing Palette was the most popular, and option 3 came out to be the most popular design. So now I have all my responses to take into account when making business decisions. Thank you so much for learning with me. I hope that helped navigate the web.